guys, I'm going to show you how to open a Spezi bottle. If it's too hard, you gotta do like this. If you can't do it, then just do this and pull it. And if you're done with that, you can just take the cap and put it in. Well, not here, not inside here. Just put it there, because that's impossible to put this there. Just get this, put the cap in the thing, and just push. Wait, did it wrong. Just push with your thumb or your palm. Like this, and then see, it's hard. Then you can just open it like this, or leave for yourself or leave yourself some Spezi for later.